Tibetan Mastiff. This is a big dog with thick fur. It is protective and gentle with family. Cockatoos have white feathers and a loud voice. They love to dance and play games. Golden Doodle. Golden Doodles are a mix of poodles and golden retrievers. They are friendly and smart. Diamond Tetra. Diamond Tetras are shiny fish that like to swim in groups. They are peaceful pets. Maine Coon Cat. Maine Coons are big cats with thick fur. They are gentle giants and love to play. Chihuahuas are tiny dogs with big ears. They are brave and love to cuddle. Cockatiels have colorful cheeks and crests. They enjoy singing and whistling. Siberian Huskies have thick fur and blue or brown eyes. They love to run and pull sleds. Molly fish are small and come in many colors. They are easy to care for and swim happily. Dalmatians have white fur with black spots. They are active and love to run. Axolotls are cute water pets that can regrow limbs. They have feathery gills and smiley faces. Ragdoll cat ragdolls have soft fur and blue eyes. They are calm and like to be carried. Fancy rats are clever and friendly. They love to explore and play games. Cockatoos are white birds with big crests. They love attention and can learn tricks. Ball pythons are gentle snakes that curl up into a ball. They are calm and easy to handle. French bulldogs have short noses and big ears. They are playful and love people. Betta fish have bright flowing fins. They like to swim alone and look beautiful. Norwegian forest cat. They have thick fur and bushy tails. They enjoy climbing and exploring. Guinea pigs are furry and gentle. They make soft sounds when happy. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. This dog has long ears and big eyes. It is friendly and loves to cuddle.